Hello, in this video we're going to look at how we draw the equation of a straight line using its equation. So remember, the equation of a straight line is of the form y equals mx plus c. Okay, now you can use a table of values, you can use a cover-up method, but one good way of doing this is actually to use the intercept and then the gradient. So I'll do the ones on the left again. So for question one, first of all, you start out with intercept. So you can see it intercepts the y-axis at 5. So this first point is going to be 5. Its gradient is 3. Now the gradient, basically, the denominator is how many squares to the right you go. The numerator is how many squares up if it's positive or down if it's negative. And of course, a whole number is a fraction. It's got a denominator of 1. So a gradient of 3 means you're going right 1 up 3. So right 1 up 3. All right. And then what you do is you put 2 or 3 points in like that until you've got enough to put a ruler on to get a nice edge. So I'll try and use the ruler, although the ruler on this is not great. So you put enough points on there and it should be a perfect straight line like that. So that is number 1. So number 2 has got an intercept of 12. So we're going to start at 12 there. Its gradient is -2. So it's a whole number, so that means right 1. But because it's negative, that means right 1 down 2. So right 1 down 2, right 1 down 2, right 1 down 2. And just do a few points, enough so you can get a ruler and do it accurately. So again, let's put the ruler on there. Line it up with that. And make sure it goes through all the points. That line should go all the way up there, but I've just forgotten how to do it. Right, number 3. So y equals 4/3 x minus 12. So first of all, intercepts at -12. So -12 is there. Gradient is 4/3. So it's a fraction. It's positive. So we're going to go right the denominator. And because it's positive, up the numerator. So right 3 up 4. So right 3 up 4. Right 3 up 4. Okay, and then you get your ruler. Once you've got 2 or 3 points on there, you should be able to join it all the way through like that. So like that. So that is number 3. Number 4. Now this time, notice that the x term is at the end. Okay, it's whatever stuck to the x that's the gradient. So the number on its own. So this time the intercept is 10. So it's going to intercept there. It's got a gradient of -1/3. So that means right and then down. So we're going to go right 3 because the denominator is 3, down 1. So right 3 down 1. Right 3 down 1. I'll put 2 or 3 in just so I can get that right. Get my ruler out. Get my straight line out. I've not lined that up properly. Here we go. And that is number 4. Okay, so pause the video. Try and do the ones on the right hand side if you can, or at least think about how to do them. And then once you're ready, press play and I'll go through them. Okay, so number 1, y equals 2x plus 8. So that means it's going to cross the y-axis at 8. It's going to have a gradient of 2. So that means, of course, it's a whole number, so that means its denominator is 1. So across 1, up 2. Cross 1, up 2. Put 2 or 3 points in there so you've got enough so you can line your ruler up. So that is number 1. So number 2, y equals minus 3x minus 15. So we start with the intercept at minus 15. Gradient is negative 3, so a whole number, so it's across 1, down 3. All right, so I'm going to run out of space if I do that. So what I can do is go the other way, go across 1 and up 3 like that. So I've got enough points there. So I'm going to get my straight line tool. And it's going to look something like that. Just make sure you do enough points so you can line it up properly with your ruler. So that's number 2. Number 3. So again, start with the intercept, minus 10. So it's going to start there. It's got a gradient of minus 1/5. So that means go across 5, down 1, because it's negative. So across 5, down 1. Cross 5, down 1. Cross 5, down 1, and so on like that. Okay? And then you get your ruler and draw your line. So that's number 3. And number 4, y equals 3 over 2x minus 5. So we intercept at minus 5. So 3 over 2 means across 2, up 3, because it's positive. So across 2, up 3. Across 2, up 3. Across 2, up 3. That should be enough points. Put your ruler on. We're quicker with a proper ruler as opposed to this, because it's not a very good tool, this, but it does the job. And there you go, that's number 4.